Respected President of our school, Principal, teacher, school classmate and friends. First of all, very pleasurable and warm good morning, India, 26th January, Republic Day. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a fabulous speech on Republic Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all who are present here a very happy Republic Day 2022. As we all know, today we all are gathered here to celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of our country. Every year on 26th January, we solemnize Republic Day since 1950 because on this day our country got its constitution. We got our independence on 5th August 1947 from British rule. However, the constitutions of India come into existence after some time later on 26th January 1950. Republic means that the people of our country hold the authority to elect their leader. Our constitution gives all of us the same right despite so many differences in caste, color, religion or language. Our constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and it is the largest written constitution in the world. So today is the day to be thankful for what he has done for our nation. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. The Indian Constitution gives us our fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, education and religion, etc. It is one of the national festivals of India and celebrated with great enthusiasm every year in the entire country. On the occasion of Republic Day, we hoist our national flag and sing the national anthem. Every year, this national event is celebrated with lots of joy and happiness. To make this event colorful and memorable, every citizen enjoy equal rights irrespective of their status, gender, religion, caste and color, etc. are different. We got freedom after the constitution fighting against British dominations. Many leaders sacrificed their life for our independence. On this day, we must remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many other leaders who fought against the British for our freedom. After getting our independence, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the Constitution drafting committee, after a lot of hard work, the constitution was finally drafted under his supervision. Today, a special parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi, and the entire country is decorated in tricolor and sheds light on unity in diversity. On this day, we salute our tricolor flag and people, citizens and army who keep safe the flag and also the pride of our nation. Of course, the Republic is the beauty of our nation. It is the greatest strength and greatest example in the world. On this day, let's show our respect and pride in the national constitution. So let us all take on oath to work hard for our country's development. Thank you. Happy Republic Day 2022 again. Indian Republic Day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share and comment.